Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO Reno 12FS and let me share with you how to change the video resolution on this device. So let's start with opening the camera app, and currently we are in the standard photo mode, so let's switch to the video one, and the resolution is right here in this upper panel. So let's tap on this option, and as you can see we've got two options, so 1080p and 720p. We can also change frames per second connected with the specific resolution. So just tap on the option you'd like to use, it will be highlighted and it means that it has been immediately applied, and from now on your device will use the chosen resolution whilst recording videos. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.